Hello everyone, welcome in this video. Friends, today we will know duty and responsibility of executive chef. Sometimes you want to know about what is the responsibility and duties of executive chef, or you can say chef de cuisine responsibilities. So let's begin to know about responsibility and duties. First is plan and direct food preparation and culinary activities. Okay. Next is modify menu or create new ones that meet quality standard. Okay. Third is estimate food requirements and food labor cost. And next responsibility is supervise kitchen staff and activities. And next duty is arrange for equipments and purchase and repair that. And next responsibility is recruit and manage kitchen staff. Next is rectify arising problem and complaints in hotel or restaurant. Next responsibility is give prepared plates and final touch. Okay. Next is perform administrative duties. Next duty is comply with nutrition and sanitation regulations and safety standards. Next responsibility is keep time and payroll records. And next duty is maintain a positive and professional approach with co-workers and customers. Okay, you know very well the responsibility and duties of executive chef. Thank you for watching this video.